I can't teach you how to play jazz accordion. I don't know how to do it, but I do want to learn, and I want you to learn as well. So I did the next best thing. I sat down with world-renowned jazz accordionist Nikolay Bine right here in the studio to record introduction and intermediate lessons. He's gonna teach us how to play jazz accordion. Everything from right-hand techniques, scales, and how to improvise, all the way to how to use the Stradella bass system to comp and do jazz chords. He recorded over an hour of video lessons that you can access with your Accordion Love membership. It's all included. There are downloadable exercises and sheet music. I encourage you to head on over to accordionlove.com. There's also a QR code on the screen that you can scan if you're watching on the TV. For less than a price of one accordion lesson, you could learn how to play jazz accordion with world-renowned accordion player Nikolay Bine and myself. Head on over to accordionlove.com. I'll leave you with a little snippet of what you can expect. See you over there.
So that kind of stuff. And
It's very bluesy.
yeah, and you would play a perfect fifth in the background. And there are lots of inversions of this scale, for instance. With triplets.